World War II. World War II! Also known as the sequel that nobody wanted but we got anyway. It had everything: massive battles, unexpected alliances, extremely questionable military decisions, and at least 3 world leaders with moustaches. It's 1939. Germany, led by Adolf Hitler, decides that World War I didn't count and starts invading places like it's a Black Friday sale. First up, Poland. Britain and France had specifically told Hitler, don't invade Poland. So naturally, Hitler invades Poland. Britain and France, realising maybe Hitler isn't great at following rules, declares war. France, determined not to be conquered this time, builds a massive defensive wall on the German border, the Maginot Line. This was a brilliant strategy, except for one tiny detail: Germany just walks around it through Belgium. France, completely unprepared for this unexpected development, surrenders in record time. Britain now looks around and realises, oh great, I'm the only one left. 1940. At this point, Hitler has a squad consisting of Germany, Italy and Japan, also known as the Axis powers, or as history remembers them, the Bad Idea Club. But Britain has a new player in town. Enter Sir Winston Churchill, the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, and the human embodiment of the phrase, not on my watch. Hitler, annoyed that Britain still exists, launches the Blitz, bombing London every night for months, and Britain responds by inventing radar and shooting down the German planes. Meanwhile, Hitler realises bombing Britain into submission isn't working, so he does what all villains do when Plan A fails: he invades Russia. 1941. Japan, Germany's over-enthusiastic sidekick, decides to bomb Pearl Harbor. The USA, which has been minding its own business, although selling weapons to Britain, suddenly goes, right, now it's personal. So, the USA joins the war, which is terrible news for Germany because the USA has infinite soldiers, infinite tanks, infinite cans of Spam for energy. 1942. At this point, Hitler has made 2 major mistakes. 1. Invading Britain while they're still standing strong. 2. Invading Russia in the winter. Now let's talk about why this was a terrible idea. Russia is massive, Russia has infinite people, Russia is minus 30 degrees in the winter. So now Hitler is stuck. On one side, Britain and America are coming for him, and on the other, Russia is very angry and very cold. So Germany is basically surrounded, but Hitler is still pretending everything is fine. 1944. D-Day happens. The Allies storm Normandy, take France back and make their way to Berlin. Germany is running out of options, soldiers and excuses. 1945. Berlin is completely surrounded. Hitler, realising his plan has completely fallen apart, thinks to himself, bloody hell, I really can't be showing my face around here anymore. So he takes the easy way out. And just like that, Germany surrenders. But wait, there's still one country left fighting: Japan. America, tired and wanting to go home, decides to invent the atomic bomb. 2 atomic bombs later, Japan finally surrenders, and World War II is officially over. So what did we learn? 1. Invading Russia in winter is a terrible idea. Napoleon learnt this too. 2. If Britain is still drinking tea during the air raids, you will not win. 3. If the USA joins a war, expect a lot of tanks, planes and explosions. 4. Nuclear weapons are terrifying. Let's not do that again. And 5. War is bad and we should really stop having them.